Hi, Dr. Jaclyn here with Let's Move Physical Therapy in Las Vegas. And you can see here it is lunchtime for our horse staff, which they take very, very seriously, because who doesn't like a good lunch? Everybody's happily eating, which is what we like to see. Today I wanted to just review some subscription options for clients, as this has been something that I'm really excited to explore. So for an initial visit of $97, you get access to 2 of our interventions with no PT evaluation, no exercises being prescribed or any of that, but it is for cranial sacral therapy and stretching. And the stretching can be total body or just one half, like the upper half, or one arm, legs, or cranial sacral for an hour. And then thereafter, the pricing is $117 per month, and you can do this in a 3-month pack, 6-month pack, 9-month pack, or 12-month pack. And why is this valuable to have? So I like to really include this into one self-care, because sometimes just coming in to do a check-in for stretching or cranial sacral as an intervention is very, very helpful for people, keeps them on track. You know, sometimes we go about life, we get so busy and we start deviating from the straight line, just how you would when you're walking, actually. And this just kind of helps to recenter. And people have different ways of recentering, and this is what I have found that some clients like to use as a form of self-care. Some people use massages, some people use energy work, some people get their nails done. All these different options of self-care. I want to put this option out there as an option for self-care too. And so again, that's the $97 initially, and then $117 per month. Also, I want to bring to your attention that doing just regular check-ins or physical therapy evaluations every 3 months or every 6 months or once a year, all age dependent, of course. The younger you are, the more check-ins you'll want to do. The older you are, maybe less. To look at your movement pattern. Are there any movement faults? Are you doing things correctly? Do you have a history of low back pain and you're really good at doing your home exercise program, but you just want to come in and see a PT every 6 months just to be sure you're on track? Or how can you progress your exercises, but you know and you have been doing it all on your own, and so you just want to do a check-in? Or is it knee pain that you want to check in? Are you a runner and you've been doing a lot of running, going out and doing your sport, and then you want to come check in every couple months just to be sure your gait pattern's on track? Shoulders sometimes can flare up and flare down. If you want to know, what you need to be doing for that, and then you can keep on track with it and check in as the flare-ups occur. Or do you just want to have a movement assessment so that you know what you're prone to and you can head it off at the pass so that you don't have pain further down the line? Because we know if you move through the path of least resistance over and over and over again, eventually you're going to have pain. So what does that mean? If I walk around with my neck like this all the time, I might be fine for 5, 10, maybe 15 years. But as time goes on, all of a sudden, this is going to hurt a ton. And that is true for any joint in the body. If you move the easiest way, or not necessarily in the neutral or most mechanically advantageous way, pain will pop up at some point. And maybe you just want to learn about your body and rediscover yourself and how you can help yourself and maybe help others around you as well, with gaining knowledge about your own body, which I'm a huge advocate for. Because if you know what you're prone to, you know what your body's good at, then you can keep where you are and stay pain-free. And remember, just because you get older doesn't mean you are or should have any pain. Age does not equal pain. And I just want to make that really clear for people. So again, we have the monthly subscription option of just doing check-ins with stretching and cranial. And then again, we have the evaluation option every few months or every 6 months to a year as well, for children all the way up through adults. And here's to hoping you have a great day and you enjoy your lunch as much as Miss Truly Ray.